ये मनु
ये मिस्टर प्रशांत प्रभु है, इन्होंने हमारे से जनरेटर सेट लिया है 15 किलोवाट का वेल्डिंग डीजल जनरेटर सेट सांगपुर बिट्टू टायर ट्रॉली। कहाँ लेके जाना है सर आपको ये
कारवार इज इन
आपकी
कर्नाटक।
कंपनी के बारे में बताइए कुछ सर।
Yeah, see, I am from Techno Engineers, and we are contractors for dredging company called ISDL,
अच्छा ISGL के लिए
International Seaport and Dredging Limited. So now we have got a site in Seabird and project second phase.
कारवार इज इन कर्नाटका।
Yeah, second phase. So there we are building a pontoon for dredging. And since it's a remote site, there's no power supply. That is why we are going in for a welding generator set. And we have already specified it. We need it for a 5 mm rod.
For welding purpose.
Yes, in which you have
Promised.
promised, vouched, and